Kia ora Queenstown, Nigel here from Coronet Peak, and this isn't when you normally see me because we're talking about our other season, summer. After a couple of years of working through permissions, we are now back on the trail building work for this summer, and we've got 3 mountain bike tracks is in the list. We have Wakatipu View, which is a grade 2, which is going to be the easiest way down, and we've been looking for that for a while. It's certainly going to help mums, dads, kids, families, all that market, and even adults who really thought they could ride a bike but maybe not so well. The other one's Velvet Rolls, which is a grade 3 roller that runs off Wakatipu View and actually rejoins it, so it's kind of a progression trail, but it'll be quite fun, and it also will be accessible from the downhill, so you'll be able to cut off the downhill, come round. And the third trail will be our World Cup, which will be a level 6. That's going to start right at the top, and it's going to run true left of the existing downhill, finding a whole lot of new terrain that we haven't had tracks through, and it'll come all the way down to base. It's quite a big effort to get all these trails done. We've had to wait for the snow to melt, so look forward to seeing you all up here from the 6th of December, and Oscar's favourite time of year, isn't it, mate? It is, rabbits to chase. So come up here, chase a rabbit, or just go for a bike, or just take in the views.